Greetings children, let's start with electricity for class 10. This is the third part in the series. Let's start.
By what name is the physical quantity coulomb per second called? Solution: ampere. What is the flow of charge called? Solution: electric current.
What actually travels through the wires when you switch on a light? Solution: electrons.
Which particles constitute the electric current in a metallic conductor? Solution: electrons.
A. In which direction does conventional current flow around a circuit? Solution: A. Conventional current flows from positive terminal of a battery to the negative terminal, through the outer circuit.
B. In which direction do electrons flow? Solution: B. Electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery, opposite to the direction of conventional current.
Which of the following equation shows the correct relationship between electrical units? 1 equals 1 coulombs per second or 1 coulomb equals 1 ampere per second? Solution: 1 coulomb equals 1 ampere per second.
What is the unit of electric current? Solution: ampere.
A. How many milliamperes are there in 1 ampere? Solution: A. 1000 milliamperes are there in 1 ampere.
How many microamperes are there in 1 ampere? Solution: 1 million microamperes are there in 1 ampere, or 1 amp equals 10 raised to 6 microamp. Compare how an ammeter and a voltmeter are connected in a circuit. Solution: ammeter is connected in series in a circuit, whereas voltmeter is connected in parallel. What do the following symbols mean in circuit diagrams? Solution: I. The first figure shows a variable resistance. 2. The second figure shows a closed plug key. If 20 coulomb of charge pass a point in a circuit in 1s, what current is flowing? Solution: given Q equals 20 C in physics, Q represents a charge. Time equals 1 second. I equals, where I equals current flowing. We know that I equals Q/T. I equals 21 equals 20A.
A current of 4 flows around a circuit for 10s. How much charge flows past a point in the circuit in this time? Solution: given I equals 4 amp, C, T equals 10s, Q equals? We know that I equals Q/T. Q equals 4 times 10 equals 40 C.
A. The current is a flow of electron. For this to happen, there must be a closed circuit. B. Current is measured in ampere using an ammeter placed in series in a circuit. If a potential difference of 10 V causes a current of 2A to flow for 1 minute, how much energy is transferred? Solution: B. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Energy equals volt upon time equals 10 times 2 times 60 equals 1200 joules.
A. Name a device which helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor, say, a bulb. Solution: A. Cell or battery helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor. A. What is an electric current? What makes an electric current flow in a wire? Solution: A. An electric current is a flow of electric charges, electrons, through a conductor. Potential difference between the ends of the wire makes electric current to flow in the wire. B. Define the unit of electric current, or define ampere. Solution: B. When 1 coulomb of charge flows through any cross-section of a conductor in 1 second, the electric current flowing through it is said to be 1 ampere. What is an ammeter? How is it connected in a circuit? Draw a diagram to illustrate your answer. Solution: ammeter is a device used for the measurement of electric current. It is always connected in series with the circuit in which the current is to be measured. A. Write down the formula which relates electric charge, time and electric current. Solution: A. Work done equals potential difference x charge moved. B. A radio set draws a current of 0.36 A for 15 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Solution: B. I equals 0.36 A, T equals 15 minutes equals 900 seconds. Q equals X equals 0.36 times 900 equals 324 C. Why should the resistance of A, an ammeter, be very small? Solution: A. The resistance of an ammeter should be very small so that it may not change the value of the current flowing in the circuit. B. A voltmeter be very large? Solution: B. The resistance of a voltmeter should be very large so that it takes a negligible current from the circuit.
Question 21. Draw circuit symbols for A. Fixed resistance, B. Variable resistance, C. a cell. D. A battery of 3 cells. E. An open switch. F. A closed switch. A. Fixed resistance. B. Variable resistance. C. A cell. D. A battery of 3 cells. E. An open switch. F. A closed switch.
What is a circuit diagram? Draw the labeled diagram of an electric circuit comprising of a cell, a resistor, an ammeter, a voltmeter and a closed switch, or closed plug key. Which of the two has a large resistance, an ammeter or a voltmeter? Solution: a diagram which indicates how different components in a circuit have been connected by using the electrical symbols for the components is called a circuit diagram. A voltmeter has a large resistance. If the charge of an electron is 1.6 × 10⁻⁹ coulombs, how many electrons should pass through a conductor in 1 second to constitute 1 ampere current? Solution: when 1 coulomb charge flows through a wire in 1 second, then the current through the wire is 1 ampere. I equals Q T 1 ampere equals 1 coulomb. 1 second charge on 1 electron equals 1.6 × 10⁻⁹ coulomb by unitary method. If 1.6 times 10 to the -19 coulomb, second, ampere, equals current by 1 electron, then 1 coulomb, second, or ampere, equals 1.6 × 10⁻19 electrons, i.e., 6.25 × 10⁻18 electrons. The P.D. across a lamp is 12 V. How many joules of electrical energy are changed into heat and light when a charge of 1 C passes through it? P.D. equals 12 V. A. P.D. equals charged moved upon work done. Work done equals P.D. into charge moved equals 12 times 1 equals 12 J. Amount of electrical energy changed into heat and light equals 12 J. The P.D. across a lamp is 12 volts. How many joules of electrical energy are changed into heat and light when B. a charge of 5 C passes through it? Solution: B. work done equals P.D. times charge moved equals 12 times 5 equals 60 J. Amount of electrical energy changed into heat and light equals 60 J. The P.D. across a lamp is 12 V. How many joules of electrical energy are changed into heat and light when C. I equals Q upon T? Therefore, Q equals I into T equals 2 into 10 equals 20 C. Work done equals P.D. times charge moved equals 12 into 20 equals 240 J. Amount of electrical energy changed into heat and light equals 240 J. Define electric current. What is its SI unit? Solution: electric current is the flow of electric charges, electrons, in a conductor such as a metal wire. SI unit of electric current is ampere. 1 coulomb of charge flows through any cross-section of a conductor in 1 second. What is the current flowing through the conductor? Solution: 1 ampere. Which instrument is used to measure electric current? How should it be connected in a circuit? Solution: an ammeter is used to measure electric current. It should be connected in series with the circuit. What is the conventional direction of the flow of electric current? How does it differ from the direction of flow of electrons? Solution: D. Conventional direction of flow of electric current is from positive terminal of a battery to the negative terminal, through the outer circuit. The direction of flow of electrons is opposite to the direction of conventional current, i.e. from negative terminal to positive terminal. A flash of lightning carries 10 C of charge which flows for 0.01 s. What is the current? If the voltage is 10 megavolts, what is the energy? Current is the flow of electrons in a metal that are denoted by SI unit ampere. Energy refers to the ability to do work and is denoted by SI unit joules. Solution. Q equals 10C, T equals 0.01 SI equals Q, T equals 10 over 0.01 equals 1000 A. The current is 100 A. Potential difference equals with Q, thus, W equals P. D. XQ 10x10 to the power of 6x10 equals 100 x 10 to the power of 6 equals 100 megajoules. Thus, energy equals 100 megajoules. Q27. The other name of potential difference is A. Amperage B. Voltage C. Voltage D. Potential. Energy. Answer. The other name of potential difference is C. Voltage. Q28. Which statements are correct? A. An ammeter is connected in series in a circuit and a voltmeter is connected in parallel. B. An ammeter has a high resistance C. A voltage has a low resistance. Answer. The correct statement is A. An ammeter is connected in series in a circuit and a voltmeter is connected in parallel. Q29. Which unit could be used to measure current? A. Watt. B. Coulomb. C. Volt. D. Ampere. Answer. The correct option that could be used to measure current unit is D. Ampere. Q30. If the current through a flood lamp is 5 A, what charge passes in 10 seconds? A. 0.5 cB, 2 cC, 5 CD. 50 C. Answer. Given current I equals 5 A, time taken T equals 10's, charge moved Q equals I equals Q, TQ equals I times TQ equals 50 C. Therefore, the correct option is D. 50 C.